Hello everyone, welcome to Edith Sensational Kitchen. On today's video, I'm going to be making hush puppy. These are the ingredients we are going to be using for the hush puppy. We have our all-purpose flour, we have our cornmeal, baking powder, sugar, we have our milk flavor, nutmeg, buttermilk, egg, we have onions and spring onions and hot pepper. I want it really spicy. And I'm going to be adding something else to my hush puppy. I'm going to be adding boiled mashed fish. So you can really add anything of your choice to your hush puppy. It all depends on you. That's the beauty of a hush puppy. So let's get right into our hush puppy making. So first thing first, I'm going to be adding the dried ingredients. This is the cornmeal. I'm using the white one, so people they use the yellow one. It all depends on what you prefer. So I'm using the white one. I'm going to be adding the powder milk and nutmeg. The two goes together. Then I'll be adding our baking powder. So first thing first, I'm using the whisk to make sure everything blends together. Once the wet ingredients are well mixed, then every other thing is good to go. So I'm adding our sugar. Sugar depends on you. This is the quantity I want to add. If you want your own to be sweeter than this, you can add more sugar to it, but for me, I'm okay with just that quantity of sugar. I'm going to whisk again together. First thing first, anyway, it depends on people. For me, I like to mix the dried ingredients together before I'll start putting in the wet ingredients. So I'm going to be putting our egg. You can make your own 2 or more. I'm using just one. Along with it, I'm going to be adding our buttermilk. So at this point, I just want to go with everything. I'll be adding the hot pepper, onions and spring onions together. So the last ingredients we have here is my parboiled mashed fish. I just want to have a taste of it on it. Like I said earlier, you can add anything you want to on your hush puppy. So, missing time. The thing is that I just want to drop my whisk. For a better results, I want to use this because it's really sticky to it. So I decided to use my spoon. Remember, it's not meant to be that watery. The consistency we are looking for, it's not meant to be watery. So this is the consistency we are looking for, not too light and not too thick. So we're going to start frying our hush puppy. Like I said before, you can put anything in your hush puppy. Make it your own way. That was why I decided to put in cooked mashed fish. You won't even notice it, except when you are eating it, you'll feel the flavor of it. So we want to start frying our hush puppy. I just put a little of the hush puppy in the oil to make sure that the oil is ready. So it's going to take a little bit of our time, but I'm using this 2 spoon like to roll it and press. I'm trying to get a round shape. May not be fast, but what matters is the end result. That is what we are interested in. The end result of our hush puppy. Like I said earlier, I'm using 2 spoons. I'm trying to get a round circle. Some people, they have a special cutter they use, like ice cream scooper. So that one will really make it come out in a circular shape, but I'm not using that, so I'm using just this one. So should in case you don't have ice cream scooper, you can use 2 spoons like this. This is the second batch of our hush puppy. I've taken out the first batch of our hush puppy. So here is the second batch of our hush puppy. So our hush puppy is ready. That's it. We're going to have a lot of hush puppy to eat this morning. You see, it's golden brown. Just want to open the inside of our hush puppy. Look at it. These are the spices, the spring onions. Everything is inside. This is exactly what I want. So you can make your own hush puppy the way you want it. Put in anything you want. It will really come out nice. That's it on today's video. If this is your first time of watching my channel, please subscribe to my channel and give this video a thumbs up. If you have already subscribed to my channel before, thank you very much. Watch this video and give it a thumbs up. Thank you for your encouragement. See you on the next video. Bye.